do have a really great haul. Like this is why you should do sourcing for reselling.
This might be the best YouTube haul ever. Item is not the one we're excited about.
Cheap and Chic, which is what I got last time in the last haul. So there you go, Machino. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari.
I am Tyler, part-time seller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari.
And today's video is going to be a haul. I know that our last video was a haul, and I try not to do them together, but
we've had a bit of a long few weeks.
Yes. So if you guys haven't noticed, we haven't posted in a little bit of time, and we tried to keep up, you know, and I wanted to get back to filming. I haven't even been on Instagram really. Yeah. Hopefully once this video goes up, I'll have been back at least a little. But I guess to address the elephant in the room, if you haven't noticed, our dog is no longer with us.
So Maxie had been sick and in the emergency vet for the last week or so, and then we had to put her down. So it's been rather difficult.
Yeah. So I'm sure you guys have seen. I'm trying to keep myself together here, but she had cancer. She had surgery, which went really well, but ended up with breathing problems, and they don't actually know what she had. There were some guesses, pulmonary hypertension or complications with cancer, or just a bunch of things. They guessed a lot of things, and we did everything we could, but she couldn't get off oxygen, and so yeah. So that was why we've been gone. We are doing our best to be back, and hopefully it will get easier.
Yes.
But yes. So anyways, we have been sourcing a little bit, not as much as normal, but we do have a really great haul. Like this is the
best haul that you've ever had.
Yes. To
spoil it a little bit.
Yes. So don't worry, the whole video is not sad and despondent, because I don't know if there's another haul on YouTube right now that beats this, really.
This might be the best YouTube haul ever.
Yes. So if you like hauls and you like reseller content, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday, so click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post. And yeah, share this video with your friends. Maybe this will motivate some of y'all's husbands that you've been trying to get sourcing to, sorry, there's noise in the background, but to get out there, because I think even the posh husbands will recognize why this is the best posh haul ever. So
I mean, if money's any indication, we are going to make out.
Yeah. So make sure that you share this. Make sure you tell everybody about it, because this is the motivator. This is why you should do sourcing for reselling. This is why.
So the first item is not the one we're excited about. It's Levins's, which is anthro, size medium. It's kind of a...
Well, not excited about it.
It's a dress, smock.
I would say a tunic blazer.
Okay.
Tie front. There's pockets, which is always important. But definitely oversized, comfy, very cute. I will show you. I don't know.
That's the buckle.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. There you go. It's a little bit hard to show you guys because we have our light right in front here, but this one will need a little bit of stain cleaning, but I think it's worth it.
Not too bad. This is Free People.
One of two. Why didn't you just get the both of them instead of showing them separately?
Because I don't know what the other one is. I don't know if it's in the bag still. Did you
so it's Free People Beach. No, I did not, because there is some damage. Free People Beach. I believe it's one size. It's like a what do you call it? Cowl neck. Sorry, my goodness. Raw hem, just raw edges, very cute.
Right.
I did attempt to post one of these, and it might be the other one, but there was some weird, like, it almost looked like pulling, but not. I don't really know how to explain it. But this one seems to be okay. So, if you are looking,
two of the exact same thing.
Yeah.
Literally
in different places, different prices. Don't understand.
So, next thing we have.
That is sold.
Yes, this is already sold. This is And Other Stories, size 8. dress.
This is really cute. It's like a tie. It's layered. It's kind of polka dot. It's like subtle polka dot, I guess.
It's like an embroidered polka dot.
Yeah. V-neck. I don't know how well you can see the bottom, but it's really cute. This is only the second and other stories item I've gotten, and I believe I got them both at the same place. But yeah, so this actually sold within 1 day of listing. Some of the stuff is listed, some of it isn't, but I'm really happy that this sold so quickly because the other and other stories item I have is still sitting.
This
Free People, I believe.
Free People shawl.
It's
top.
an oversized
Top.
like long sleeve top.
Drapey.
Yeah, drapey. Let's see. I don't know how much you all can see, but it's very comfy and cute, and oversized Free People always does well for me. And it's a size medium, so that's really cute. I anything oversized Free People, I definitely recommend grabbing if you get it for a good price because it usually sells relatively quickly.
This is something that we're trying. Vera Wang, like actual Vera Wang.
Yes. So if you guys know anything about Vera Wang, please message me because I know that there are different levels of Vera Wang, and I hope that you can see this tag in the viewfinder. It looks pretty washed out. Yeah, I'm hoping you can see it. But anyway, so it's Vera Wang. I believe it is a wedding dress. It's a off-white, formal, long dress. It has like the corset back, tank top, or not tank top, but spaghetti strap style. So I believe it is a wedding dress, but I don't know much about selling Vera Wang. There are basically no flaws. It's beautiful, but I do know that Vera Wang kind of varies. So Vera Wang varies. But let me know if you guys know anything about that, because that is the first time we found that kind of Vera Wang.
So this is Moschino. Nice silk satin dress.
Yeah, now this is Moschino, the real Moschino.
Right. Not
Cheap and Chic, which is what I got last time in the last haul. So there you go, Moschino. It's purple, it's satiny, very cute. I'm hoping you all can see this. Let us know how the lighting is for you guys, because we are playing with our lighting and colors and all of that. So let us know how it does for you. If you think that it's too washed out, or it's really good, or it's whatever, just let us know so we can kind of get an idea of how to adjust. We are working on it as we go. Yeah. But I do think this is really cute. I've been told that this label of Moschino does better than Cheap and Chic, so I'm excited about that one. All right, so next item.
This is going to be Dreamers, size small.
So I got this on style, really, because it has like this pleat down the front, and it's oversized. It reminds me of Free People. So I've heard people mention Dreamers. I don't know how well you can see it, but I've heard people mention it, and I thought it was associated with Free People, but I've done research on it now, and it says Nordstrom brand, but I couldn't find a connection to Free People. So if you guys know why I thought that, or if it is connected to Free People, let me know. But I still think on style alone, it will do well.
It's also outrageously soft.
Yeah, very soft and comfortable. And everybody that likes purple loves purple, so.
Yeah. I mean, Moschino, we got a lot of purple.
We did, actually.
This is Atkins, made in Italy. Doesn't have a size. Oh, it does. Small.
Yeah, so this is a vintage sweater for sure. It's turtleneck. The sleeves are like almost balloony. They're not really balloon, but they're longer than the sweater by far, and they come to a head. It's cute. I always find that vintage sweaters, especially ones like this that are kind of like hairy and stuff, do really well.
Yeah.
So I figured, why not? And it was a really good price. So, and I am desperate for vintage sweaters because basically all mine from last year have sold.
She's been selling pants and sweaters basically nonstop.
Yeah, basically.
So this is Zara dress size small. We got this because it's kind of almost a denim type look, but it's not denim.
Yeah, so this is it's a washed out The bottom is kind of comes to a triangle pattern. It's really nice, and I love that it's midi length. So I don't know how this will do. I only was able to find a few comps, but nothing substantial. It was just like Poshmark comps. It wasn't. Right. You know, I couldn't see what the actual original price was or any of that. So
I mean, it's almost like nightgown-ish, but stylish enough to go out.
Yeah.
Comfy
loungewear. If you're looking for comfy loungewear, I've got all of it.
Yeah. So this is the piece that we are far and away the most excited about. We've already shown you Machino, which would have made the trip by itself.
Yeah. So should we give the story behind this, or?
Yeah, I think we should.
Go ahead.
So this is during the whole Maxie being in the emergency room nightmare that we've had. We were trying to stay busy because at that point we hadn't gotten any good news or bad news.
No, she was still in the hospital, and we were still treating her, and they were cautiously optimistic at the time.
Yeah. So you had been told by basically a guardian angel to go to the thrift store. Thank God we did.
Yeah, and most resellers will tell you that if you get a gut instinct to go to the thrift store, even if you don't understand it or don't want to, you should definitely go.
Right.
Because someone's telling you to go there for a reason. The universe, whatever you believe in, we don't even know what we believe in, but whatever it is, some reason pushed us there.
So we go to one of the local thrift stores.
And a thrift store that, generally speaking, is not good to us. They're overpriced, and they don't generally have much anyway.
Right.
But we came across something, and
you told me to go to Blazers. I found it. I take full credit.
Yeah, it was towards the end.
Credit.
We had already found a few things. We actually didn't show anything else that we found on that trip.
Right.
But we found Lovers and Friends. We found Frame. We found something else too. I don't remember. We found decent things, and I was like, you know what? Before we leave, can you just check Blazers for me? Because I don't, So we did. We usually split the sides. He goes to one side, I go to the other, and we just were gonna do that before we left the store. Just because I felt like it was something told me we needed to check Blazers before we leave.
So we found this jacket with nice accents. I'm trying not to show
the brand.
The brand. So it's a nice pink blazer with nice buttons. It's probably all washed out. And this, we almost left it behind because we weren't sure on the authenticity.
Yes.
So we didn't know if it was real. It is in fact been verified. It is Chanel, and it's a size 44.
Mm-hmm.
So if you can see it, there's the label. And I mean, we already looked at comps, and it's what? Anywhere from...
The resale value seems to be right around $1,000.
$1,000?
So we truly believe that this is to help pay for all of the medical bills that we had to pay to try to help our dog, and I wouldn't give that back for the world. I would have helped her no matter knowing the outcome or not knowing the outcome, but it was a lot, and it was taxing on us not knowing if we were paying for what we were paying for. So this came at a good time. It actually was a moment that we had to decide whether or not we were going to try something else for her. And that kind of helped us decide to keep going and keep trying. So I think that was put to us for a reason. We've definitely never found Chanel before.
No.
And
I mean, you have sold Chanel from the designer box, but never found it.
Yes,
so.
And this is definitely our highest resale price item we've ever found ever.
Well, I mean, yeah, it's going to be anywhere from list price of $1,200 to $1,500.
Yes. So I do have to thank a bunch of my reselling friends for helping me out. Jones Girl Thrift and Tiger Oak, which I can link both of them below. They both are on Instagram. And they kind of came together to help me figure out if it was authentic while we were in the store. We were kind of like mulling around, and we were like, I don't know what to do. Yeah. I typed in the number on the tag, and a bunch of like foreign sites came up, and I wasn't sure if that meant it was real or not real. I was very unsure. I know when you normally look up authenticity, if it's a lot of foreign sites, it could indicate fraud. But we got it authenticated and it is real. And all of our friends had been kind of telling us it was real based on the things that they knew. And yeah, it was a nice bright spot in a really hard time. I still haven't listed it yet. There is a flaw in case anybody is interested in it, which I don't expect anybody to be interested in it, but if anybody is, I do want to be honest about it. There is a flaw. There is some fading in the back. It looks like maybe somebody wore it in the sun.
I mean, it's very mild. It's not.
It is very mild.
It's not hugely noticeable. It's not a two-tone pattern at this point. It's kind of just a little bit lighter in the back because it was worn outside a bit.
Yeah, it's nothing extreme, but I just want to make sure we mention it because I don't think with our lighting right now that you'd be able to see that. But yes, so that will be listed soon. We kind of wanted to show you guys first, and
we wanted to post the video and then list it.
Yeah, and there should be some photos up on our Instagram if you're looking to see what it looks like on a person at some point when I feel a little bit more okay with photos and don't feel like I'm going to break down in the middle of one. We will be kind of getting dressed up and taking a nice photo with it because when else are you going to have an opportunity to take a photo in a Chanel? Anything.
Yeah, I mean, God only knows we should have kept the sunglasses and not sold them so you could have Chanel and Chanel.
Yeah, exactly. But anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope that this was fun for you. I'm sorry if it was a Debbie Downer. We are working on bringing our energy levels back up.
We are trying our best. It's been a bit of an uphill climb to get back to any kind of normal. And
I do know that you guys have been asking me to do eBay tips, and that is going to be our next video. I promise you that. We were going to do it today, but it was, one, I wanted you guys to see the amazing item that we found, but two, I thought a more laid-back, easier video would be better to kind of start off. But we will be doing the eBay tips, so if you're waiting for that and looking for that, that will be the next video, so make sure that you're subscribed and you have the notifications on so you know that it's coming out. Because I have been getting messages about it. It's coming, I promise you. And I actually do have tips. Right. I feel like I have started figuring out eBay. So I
think you have hit a stride with eBay recently because you've gone from moderate sales to much better sales on eBay.
Yeah, so I think it'll be useful, especially for you guys beginners. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will be back with another video really soon.
Thank you all for watching.